The purpose of this video is to show you where you can find your tracking sheets and to show you what are the expectations to get a credit in physics. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into your MyLambton account and click on D2L. When you get to this landing page, you're going to click on Physics and it'll take you to the home page. Please keep in mind there is a news feed that you can find on the right side of the page that will be updated. There's also a profile widget here which will include the classroom hours. Your first tracking sheet you can find here, and what you're going to do is you can either print this off or you can download it, whatever works best for you, but this shows you the activities that you're going to do in order to get a physics credit. When you're going through these activities, please remember this is a mastery-based program, so if you complete activity 1.1, for example, and you end up getting like a 6 out of 10, you will need to go back and correct it up to 70%. The next thing that you're going to need is the tracking sheets for the individual units. For your first unit, you're going to click on Unit 1, Mechanical Systems, and then you'll find the guide. In this guide, you will see the different sections of the textbook that you need to review, as well as suggested practice questions. Please make sure that if you are trying the practice questions and you find that some of them don't make sense, to reach out to me, because you're going to need to understand these in order to successfully complete your assignments. Your assignments will be found in the workbook. When you are finished all the activities on the sheet, you'll see that you're prompted to ask for a Unit 1 test. When that happens, just send me an email through D2L. You can also find sample solutions on here. So if you click on this is the Chapter 1 solutions, and you can check your answers to make sure that you are practicing and that you're understanding the concepts. For this unit, there's also a lab, so I have provided a YouTube video that will show you how the lab was done, and then you'll be able to still complete that activity. Here are copies of the workbook extension exercises that you do need to complete for this unit. They're provided in Unit 1 just in case there is a delay before you get the workbook. And I believe that's everything. I think that's everything you need right now. There is a section at the bottom here that says possible course updates. It just has extra content and resources. If you feel like looking at it, you're welcome to do that. You are not required to do any of the activities that are in there, but it does present information in a different way. So in the textbook, you're going to learn about forces. In this, you could also find activities that have to do with forces as well. So that's just a little extra. It's definitely not required. Most people just kind of ignore that it's there because it is something that I'm just working on, but it does have practice questions and it does have solutions as well. I think that is everything. If there is anything else that you need to know, please feel free to reach out to me. The best way to get a hold of me is through Teams. Send me a quick instant message and we can go from there. All of your activities will be submitted through this email as a PDF file. Talk to you soon.